All right, now I'm going to teach you how to make a slurry. To make a slurry, what you'll need is a drill, a paint mixer, a shovel, and some water. Now sometimes, if you're only going to do 1 or 2 installs during the day, you could take topsoil, use your shovel and put that in your bucket. But for today, I have dirt from off-site. I found real nice fine dirt with hardly any trash in it. Maybe just a little bit, but no chunks. And this is what works the best. So if you're going to do a bunch in one day, I suggest having a bucket full of dirt and a bunch of water, and then a smaller bucket to mix your slurry in. For one probe, if you use a 2-inch auger bit, it should not take that much slurry. The less slurry you have to use, the better the install will be, the less chance you'll have air pockets. So you can see I just put a little bit of dirt in there. I may have to add some more. Here we used roughly 1/4 of a gallon of water there. And you take your mixer, and mix it up so there's no chunks in it. See, this is maybe just a little too runny for my liking. And I may need just a bit more, so I'm going to add a little bit of dirt. This is probably about the consistency you want it, but it's always better to make too much slurry than not enough. So I'm going to add just a little bit more and then a little more water just to be sure that I have enough. Here's your slurry. Moves around a little bit, but not too bad. Kind of like a runny pancake batter.